Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Bruno Neves, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys some things that I've been studying again about JavaScript. I've been refreshing some concepts and I am bringing this to you right now, so let's go. I'm sharing here my screen. Actually, I'm recording myself on the screen recording, right? So let's do it. Here we have JSP in here. Let's declare a variable here called for example name, and I will put here my name, Bruno Neves, and let's print this console.log, and we can print the variable name. So when we run this, it will show my name here on the console, right? But if we want to, for example, we can use like const. Const means that this will be a constant value and it will not be changed along the code. So I don't know, my name, probably, I'm sure I will not change my name. So I'll put this here and I will let age as 27, for example. So when I do like this, I can do this, for example. Name, and I will print name and age and run. So now we have name and age, right? But what if we can construct a function that will print our name and our age? So we can, for example, do function print, and we can receive as parameters age and name here, for example. And inside here we can console like this. Oops. Console.log name and age, right? So I am printing name that I'm receiving here and age that I'm receiving here. So I must call this function down here. So when I do print and send as parameters age 27 and name Bruno Neves, I don't need exactly to declare this because I'm sending as parameters, right? So when I run this code, I am printing the values I am sending here on as a parameter, right? But we have other ways to declare this function. We can, for example, use arrow functions. We can declare as a const print will receive a function like this. It will work the same way, right? It's just another way to declare a function. When we have just one parameter in here, we can simply do like this. We don't need to use brackets. So see, it works normally. Actually, we don't need use this curly braces. I think it's the name of this. We don't need to use this. For example, we can do like this. Let me expand this. see, we can just do this when we have just one line in here. We don't need to use the curly braces, so it works at the same way. Actually, we're doing printing name as 27, but we need to pass name, right? Okay. It worked. Alright guys, the next thing I want to talk about is about classes. We can, for example, do a class, and this class is called person, right? So this is a class called person. I will do a constructor in here, constructor, and inside here I will define this dot name as Bruno Neves, and down here I will create a function called, for example, print name, right? And I will do a console.log, and I will print this dot name, right? Now we must call this down here. So for doing it, I will for using this class, I must do a const or a let. I will do a const person, and I will receive here a new person, right? That is here, new person. And down here I can use person dot print name, and let's see what's gonna happen. Anything happened? Why? Oh yes, I need to do like this. Yes, now it worked. So something else I can do here is import things from other classes or extend informations from other classes, right? So for example, I can create here a class called human, and I will open here. So I must create here another constructor, and I will put a gender, right? Is this dot gender as male, and I will create another function here called print gender, right? And for using here, I must do extend like this from human, right? Oops, human. And here I must do something like this, super. I must put super here, super, for importing, for having the permission for handle with this other class. So in here I can do like person dot print gender, and let's see what's gonna happen here. Yes, it prints, and this is not something from necessarily from person, but it's this method, it's being extended from human, right, from the class human. So that's it about classes. So let's now talk about spread. It's something very useful if you will handle with arrays, and let's do here, for example, a let numbers like this, and this numbers will receive an array, and inside here we will put like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? So let's console.log this, and you will see that numbers is being printed. Okay, it's working. Now let's use a spread. That it's something very useful. For example, if you want to put if you want to put information inside an array, inside of a array, and you don't want exactly put like the position that that value will be, so you can use for example this. You can let's create here another array, and you will see what I am trying to say. For example, if we do this, you will see that the first array, the array numbers, is being putted in the position 0 of this other array that it's been created here. But this is not what I want. I want that this new array have these values and plus this one that I'm putting here. So for doing it, we can use this spread thing that I'm saying, that is putting 3 dots here on the beginning of numbers, and now you will see that this is behaving differently. So now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and this is in the same array. And this is happening just because I'm putting this 3 dots in here, that I'm using spread, right? We are kind of binding the first array to the second one, right? So that was it, guys. It was just something that I was studying again, that I was remembering just before I start tip on React, and I hope you liked. I hope it's have been useful for you, and yes, that's it. So see you in the next video. Bye.